Hey, what's up guys, Evandro here, and are you subscribed yet? Not yet? Make sure to subscribe and leave it a like, that helps a lot. If you like this video was made in Ceará, state in Brazil, in the city called Jericoacoara. It's a paradise on earth. It has the best vibe, the best people, and you can do all this fun rides as UTVs, kite surfing, all the good stuff that you looking for when you're on a trip, on a beach trip especially. So if you guys want to know more about this place, please let me know to send me a comment, and I'll share more videos about this place for my next trip that I'll be there in about 3 weeks. Make sure to subscribe. See you. Bye.